Hey guys, it's Alex, and today I'm going to film a slime video. So, I haven't posted in like a week, and I usually, I said I was going to maybe post twice a week, but it feels like I'm posting once a week. Yeah. So, I thought maybe I can film a slime video since I emptied out my other two containers that had slime in it because they're all going so sticky, and then I just wanted to film a video for you guys because I have no video ideas. So can you please comment down below any video suggestions that you guys would like to see. So yeah, let's get started.
Okay, so I decided to do a DIY fluffy slime video. So right now I am pouring in PVA glue, and then after, lotion is optional but it just makes your slime super stretchy. And now I'm adding shaving cream to make my slime super fluffy. Now I am mixing all the ingredients in. Now I am adding in food coloring, and I chose yellow, but you can choose any color you want. Now for my slime activator, I chose borax, but you can choose any kind of activator. Remember to add in any slime activator little by little so you don't have your slime as a very rubbery consistency. Now knead your slime with your hands so that you can have the slime that you desire. Now I am adding some more lotion so that my slime can be a little bit more stretchy. Now time for some ASMR.
Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY fluffy slime. So follow me on my regular Instagram. I also have a slime Instagram. They're both the links are down in the description below. So yeah, I think that's it. So please like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time.